Then we're gonna connect my phone to the motorcycle display. And that's easy. I'm gonna show you. Wait a minute, Mr. Postman. Okay, start recording. Okay, there it is. Be sure your Bluetooth is on. Okay, then tap the link. Then you have the choice. CarPlay, that's for Apple. Android, download firmware update. Oh guys, we're first gonna do a firmware update. But maybe I have to, let's see. Switch the system to update mode. Okay. Connect Wi-Fi. Then I'm gonna look at my Wi-Fi. Even kijken which one it is. Details. It's connected now. That's good. Okay. Check updates. It needs an SD card. Nah, come on. I have a 32 gig card from my camera over here. Wide. So we're going to first okay, shut down, 5 seconds. That's good. Quick. I love when it goes quick. This is on the bottom side. Then always hold your finger above it, guys. Wouldn't be the first time that it shoots away. Okay, now again. Then we're gonna fire the machine up again and again, and we have to put it a bit like that. Okay. Wow. Then we're gonna format the card first. Storage, format, confirm. Whenever you put a SD card into it, a new one, format it first. And it says it's good now. Then we go back, we go to link, firmware, Wi-Fi connection, it is connected. Then we go back and say check for updates. Do you want to an over-the-air upgrade? Confirm. Download firmware. Takes a while. Well guys, it did an update. We're gonna connect it by Bluetooth to my phone to have Android Auto. Confirm. Yep. Yes, there we got it. The N2 156114. Yes, pairing. And he asked me, yes, pair. Allow message. Ja, doe maar voor now. Okay. Welcome Android Auto. Okay. I'm gonna put it out. Okay. It's now out. So when I put my bike on ignition now, in time it automatically should go to Android Auto. That's what it is. Okay. Now we wait. It pops up. I hear a pling over there. It says that it is connected. Android Auto is on, and there it goes. Well, guys, this is, yeah, over here you can go. These are all my apps on my phone that works with Android Auto. I got Curviger, which is a great app, especially for guys with motorcycles. You can make a route, you can make a round route with all kinds of settings. Just give it a try, it works great. Then we go to what you all know, Google Maps. That's Google Maps. Well, it's nothing special. Then we go back to here. I love Waze, which is this one. It's Google Maps on steroids. It works fantastic. So I love that. I see, well, actually I can't tell very much about it because it's, yeah. Guys, we have also WhatsApp. That's great. No new messages during this drive. Okay. Whenever you get a message on WhatsApp, it comes in the top of your screen. So that worked great. I like it. If you pair your helmet to your phone, you can voice control send a message back by WhatsApp or call someone. Also possible. Some of those devices have a floating button which comes into the screen of, let's say here, Google Maps. Wait a minute. And you can place it anywhere. Oh guys, it is here. Wait a minute. There. Watch. This is, and now you go back to the home screen. Absolute great. Then we go to the dash cams. We have to put it again, because it has an update, on 2K. Stop recording. 2K. Reboot the machine. We're gonna do that. Takes a while, but we're getting there. Wait a minute. Hey, here we got a button too. Yes. Oh, that's ideal. Camera. Okay. It was this one. Yep. Okay, then we have not sure how to get this? No. Maybe this one. No. No. Yes. And that's the rear camera. Don't mind the flickering. Just look how sharp it is. It's really sharp. Okay, let's see. Over here, wait a minute. Stop recording. These are the files that are now recorded. These are, I think, the pictures. These are the locked files. And these are your parking files. Let's see if we, this one, okay. Here we can play it. Looks good, guys. Yep, you can throw it away. You can big screen. Whoa. Okay. Here we can go back again. Okay. Settings. Now, back to the home screen. And now we shut it down. Then we have a last test to do, and that's to see how quick it starts up and connects to my phone. Let's do that. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now. Wonderful sound. I love it. Okay. Blink bloom. It's now connected with Bluetooth, and there it is. Okay. We check that too. Then we shut it down. Now guys, let's round it up. I unpacked and reviewed the Einhoff N2 motorcycle display. What I like about it is that it has 2K cameras, high quality, absolute great. The build quality, it is plastic. They say there is on the back aluminium. I have to believe them. The mounting, ram mounts are good, but a little bit bulky. There are other brands who has aluminium brackets. You can mount it in every position, which are far more sleek, fully aluminium. So that's what actually I don't like about it. Some people don't like that you can't detach it from your bike. I personally don't matter, but if your bike is always parked on the streets, then it wouldn't take a week and then it's gone. Then the price, guys, this costs in euros, it's almost 386 euros. And for that money you get the unit, the 2K top-notch cameras, that's good, the TPMS sensors, the GPS module, and the screen protector. It is possible to buy just the unit. I only looked up what this complete set, what I reviewed, cost at this moment. I'm sure that they come up with a discount, so look in the description below. Would I buy it? Ouch! That's a difficult one. Because for that money, I absolutely would expect an aluminium body, system that you can take away from your bike. Not that bulky RAM mount, my opinion, my opinion. So I don't think I would buy it. But then again, Einhoff is a very good brand. I'm sure the hardware into it is top notch. But when you put it on and it does the things it should do, well guys, then it's just like any other system. It has a nice big screen, okay. What I also didn't like is that they didn't throw in an SD card. You have to buy that separately. For that money, guys, to be honest, other brands give you 64 gig SD card with it. There are several other motorcycle displays in a whole price range. I tested them all, looked at them, and I told you what to look for and what I liked about it and what I didn't like about it. So for an informed decision, have a look at the playlist. Easy. Now, I hope you liked this video, guys. And if you do, well, subscribe to my channel, costs nothing, fully free. Give me thumbs up, also good. And these days, push the hype button and hype me. It's also good for my channel. Well, I hope to see you the next time. And for now, Old Mechanic out! So, that is my brill here.